and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. Well, I'm here on a sunny day in Southampton, England, but I'm not outdoors in my garden, I'm indoors. I am doing something that I think is going to help me and I really hope is going to help you as well. I have done a cheat sheet. It's on 2 pages for the new catalogue. This is designed as a demonstrator cheat sheet. Let me explain what it is and why I'm doing it. I've gone through the catalogue, this was a particularly bad page, and highlighted all the places where something was missing, where my customers were asking me questions about it. So, for example, was the item number missing? Was the price missing? Was the a description of what it was? How many? How big? Those sort of things that customers were asking me at my in-person event. You know, when we're sitting there with a customer, we are the experts and we want to be that. We know we're supposed to be the experts, but I found it quite distracting to have to keep looking things up on my phone. So this is literally 2-page cheat sheet. It's not designed to be given to your customers, although you can if you want to. It's designed for you to make sure that you are the expert and you're the expert in person. It's got all the page numbers on in order. So if somebody comes over and asks you a question, hopefully you will be able to answer. Other things I've included are, for example, at the end, I've done a quick cheat sheet of which of the embossing folders, where we do have an index for them, yay, but it's not clear what the sizes are. So we've got the big giant ones, we've got the square ones, the giant ones and the regular ones. So I've actually put a little list of where they're not our standard 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 size. So things like that. For example, where you see one bottle of the pearlized enamel effects, I've got the 3 colours it's available in, the size of the bottle you're going to get. I've put the 3 kits, and again, I know this is an online exclusive, these may not stay, but I've put them because, again, at my launch event, myself and my lovely helper Tracy were looking up kits because they wanted those 3 kits. They didn't want to go online and look at the kits today. They wanted one of those kits. So we had to look up how many cards is it, how many frogs are you getting? So all of that sort of thing. I have put the prices on for those because there's no price in the catalogue. So those have been done for UK pounds, US dollars, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, New Zealand dollars and euros as well. The item number is for the English or English language set. So if you're in the European community, then you can change that. And I have made everything on this particular freebie. I have made this editable. You can add your own logo. You can take out the prices that aren't suitable for you. So it's just a Word document. You can print it double-sided, as I have, and have it on 1 page, or it's 2 sheets if you prefer. So I hope that all makes sense. It is a freebie. It is especially for you on my newsletter list. I would love to have more demonstrators benefiting from this. So if you've got a demo friend who would like things like this, who would be maybe interested in classes that I put together, then please do recommend me. Down below is the link where they can join. You can do it for them, but just with their permission, and put their details in there, and then they will get access to freebies like this and also our upcoming classes. I've got one I'm so excited about that is mostly in my head at the moment, but it's going to be coming. The final thing I will say is I have had requests. Can we have particularly a list of all the punches? So I am going to try and put that together. That will probably be a paid one like my DSP one, because we're going to need to put all the prices on in all the different languages. It's quite a time-consuming process, as you can imagine. So there will be a little charge for that one. If you want the designer series paper one that is already available, that's just £4 UK. cost, which is around about $570 I think at the moment. So I'll leave a link for that down below if you're interested in that as well. So thanks very much for visiting. If you're not on my newsletter list, join up so you can get this freebie and other freebies in the future. Thanks for visiting today. Bye.